Before buying this mechanical keyboard, I was using a membrane keyboard from Portronics. I'll be posting that review as well in the coming days. In this video, you're going to see the unboxing and my first initial impressions of this mechanical keyboard from the brand called Kreo. The exact model is Kreo Swarm 75% wireless mechanical keyboard. This is how the package looks and this is exactly how it will come even for you if you order it. This is a wireless mechanical keyboard with a lot of additional features. I bought this item during the offer period and it cost me around 5000 rupees. Currently the price has increased. You can check the latest pricing and offers after watching this video. The link is added in the description box as well as in the pinned comment section. Inside the box, we get some instruction papers, stickers, and then the keyboard itself. This keyboard feels quite heavy. Below that, we get extra switches, a keycap puller, and a Type-C to Type-A cable for charging and connecting purposes. This is a proper RGB keyboard. We can customize the lighting however we like. There are also some pre-built lighting effects available. This keyboard looks solid in hand and feels heavy as well. The key pressing experience is very satisfying. It feels smooth and effortless to use. On the top right side, there is a Type-C port followed by the connectivity switch. We can use this keyboard with a connector via Bluetooth or using a cable. The connector is provided on the back side. Next, we have dual height adjustment clips, which is a really nice added touch for better usability. We also get good grip pads on the corners. Let's see how they survive in the long run. My first initial impressions are very positive. However, it does feels a bit too heavy for me compared to my previous keyboard. Although I don't carry it for traveling purposes, the weight is not going to be a big problem for me. I'll keep testing this keyboard in my daily workflow and let you know more about it in the final review. You can check the link of this item that I already added in the description box as well as in the pinned comment section to see the current price and other offers available. Stay tuned for upcoming videos by subscribing to the channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next video.